Hello and good afternoon to this beautiful sunny day here in South Reading. So we're in Meadowcroft Road, which is a very quiet road, yet very close to amenities. Let me just give you an idea of the road itself. Mainly with 2 and 3 bedroom semi-detached houses. There you go, that shows how quiet this road is. Pretty much only people coming down here are the people that are going to live here. So my name is Gary, obviously from WhiteKnights, and I'll be giving you the tour today. Just a couple of things to mention as we walk through to the front door, which is that I am making a recording of this and that will be saved online later on today. And if you have any questions, you can type away, ask me any question as I'm walking through. Obviously, if you're watching the recording, then you won't be able to do that. And then last but not least, if you'd like to actually take a viewing inside any time, you'll notice there is a button on the corner of your screen that says request a private inspection. And if you click on that, that will send us an email telling us that you want to have a look inside. So what we have here is a 3-bedroom semi-detached house. I'm just going to step into the lounge. Sorry, a 2-bedroom semi-detached house, beg your pardon. It is a property that does need some work, as you'll see, but hopefully you'll have already realised that it's priced relative. So the lounge, first of all, it's double glazed sealed unit windows, UPVC, that's the front aspect window. And then we've got the door opening through to the rear garden, just to give you an idea of the rear garden very, very quickly. Lovely garden, and obviously on a sunny day like today, you can see it's south facing. So the French door there onto the garden. That's the door that we've just come through. Another view of the lounge. You can see we've got one of these very modern radiators just here. In the hallway, obviously that's the entrance hall, there's the stairs, there's the door that we came through. Turning staircase to the first floor, and the door here takes you into the kitchen. So let's show you the kitchen. So it's quite a modern kitchen, as you can see. We've got a built-in larder cupboard there in the corner, which has the meters and the fuse box. That's been updated as well. So work surfaces, base units, double eye level unit there, and then on the other side here, another work surface there with the eye level unit as well. So it's got tiled splashbacks. You can see we've got plenty of power points, and that's the side aspect window. Just spinning around full circle, there's the radiator there as well. So the actual heating system appears to be relatively new. You'll spot the radiators as we go round. So this door opens straight into a shower toilet. As you can see, we've got a shower cubicle there with an electric shower unit. Double glazed sealed unit windows again, they're frosted of course. There's the wash basin and the low-level WC. Just around the corner here we've got the radiator. And a door here. Now this door just takes you into a little porch, which is with a door to the rear garden, or I should say the side access. But I'm just going to point upwards here because there is the gas-fired boiler. It's a glowworm, wall-mounted gas boiler. Okay, I have had one question that's just come in asking me how long is the rear garden. I will show you the garden obviously at the end of the tour, so we'll look into that in more detail at that time. So let's now make our way upstairs. So 2 bedrooms upstairs. There is a toilet as well. We've got a half landing window. So the landing first of all, I'm going to point upwards because we'll have access to the roof space. And there's just a recess there, like a hanging recess. I'm just going to turn round. I mentioned the half landing window. There you go. So the main bedroom. The main bedroom's actually above the lounge, so it's pretty much the same size. I'm sure many of you will have looked at the floor plan. So this is the main bedroom, front and rear aspect windows. Radiator under the window there. There's the front window. Just give you an idea of the view out the front. Hopefully you can see it through the net curtain. As I said, a nice quiet road. And then an idea out the back, looking down onto the garden. Okay, so that's the main bedroom. And now through to the second bedroom. So the second bedroom actually does have a WC in the corner. Slightly unusual. I think that's been installed since the house has been built. So let's just show you the room first of all. Side aspect window there. Storage cupboards. There is a sink unit there. And this cupboard, I'm just opening up the cupboard there. That cupboard there is where the hot water tank sits. And then in the corner here, just a little WC. Okay, so that is the second bedroom. Right, now downstairs. And let's show you the rear garden. So whilst I'm walking downstairs, just worth mentioning that we've got shops, buses, schools, all very close by. Certainly the shops are pretty much around the corner, as are the bus stops. Right, let's just step into the garden. You can see we've got a deck patio here first of all. And then the garden itself. So much potential with this garden. I can quite see at one point it was a very well loved, pretty garden. It's all fenced in, as I said, facing south. Got a shed just tucked in the corner there that looks like it's probably needs removing, if I'm honest. Okay, let's wander down the garden. I'll just turn around and point to the back of the house. Okay, so that's the back of the house. As you can see, next door we'll have a conservatory. Just going to pan to the left slightly. You can see people have put fairly big extensions on some of these. So it just goes to show the potential that it has. There is a side access on the right there, taking you to the front. Obviously no onward chain. So if you would like to take a look on this at this property, by all means click on that button in the corner of your screen or give us a ring. The number's on the website. Any questions, my name's Gary. You can certainly ask for me, and hopefully I'll A, answer any questions you may have, and B, meet you at the property. So it just remains for me to say thanks for watching.